Hello passionate gardener, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm going to share some important tips about growing chili plant. If you are growing chili and if you see some problem about the growth, not flowering, not fruiting, this video is for you. I tried this organic fertilizer and I'll show you how to use this fertilizer, eggshells and banana peels. My chilies was not coming with flowers, and in 7 days time I can see them, they start flowering. If you see this closely, you can see some flower buds coming. So thought to share the tips with you as well, how it's happened. You can see my all chili plants are healthy. They're in different size because I have planted them in different times, just to have regular continuous cropping. And how to use this home waste organic fertilizer like banana peels and eggshells. So what you need to do, like first crush them. You can crush those with hands. And why these eggshells are important, because eggshells have lot of calcium, which is very important for fast growing plants like chili. You can use the same in tomato, rose and other cucumber, other plants as well, but chili is also is very essential elements. And I am going to use the banana peels as well. So these banana peels, I cut them in small pieces with the scissor. You can see that I already put the cutting part. So why banana peels is important, because banana peels have phosphorus, manganese, magnesium. Those are all very good for fruiting or growth of the plant. And so plant will be you can use in the plants to have this moving those nutritions from the rooting to plant stem and whole plant, and you will see a massive growth. I used these banana peels and eggshells in the bottom side before while I was planting. Now I'm going to put more around the plant sides, so just so that during the growth season they get more boost on the growth and get lot of flowers. So it's easy to use. Put some space around, just little few pieces of banana peels and eggshells, and then cover up again. And then in this side as well, just putting 2 to 3 sides here, it should be enough. And other thing I can share with the chili plants is you can do some mulching. If you are like in the dry season and it's hot, mulching will help a lot. I am putting these plants in a greenhouse, and soon I'm going to take them out, because chili like the temperature, if the night temperature is above 12. So my area, it's now mostly above 10 or 12 temperatures. I'm going to put them out. During the day they like to temperature between 15 to 25. If it is above 30, their growth get bit and food productions got impacted. You can see my plant growth, they are very healthy. Like these are the pepper plant, have little flowers already, and this chili flowers also coming up with flowers, and mostly all I can see the flowers. So the effect and growth impact is huge with banana peels and eggshells. This organic fertilizer will save your instead of using the chemical fertilizer, use this organic fertilizer, and that will save a lot of your money, as well as it will be organically grown vegetables. So try this method if you have not tried yet, and in 5 to 7 days you will see the results, which it's like very impressive on the result side. Keep watering regularly. Don't let these plants to be dried, and you will see a massive results on your chili or pepper growing. So hope you like the content and video. If you do, give a like and thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I do share videos around the gardening side, helpful tips. Like I have this greenhouse, a lot of plants you can see, so growing a lot. And also in outside I have other plants grown in container and in the ground, and this is my grape plants a lot. So I do share videos around the gardening and tip and tricks which I learned from all my experience of gardening. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your comments if you have some questions, or if I can help any way by more video or content. Until the next video, thank you very much for watching. Happy gardening, passionate gardener.